Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, and then locate the toggle. So right here we don't really have names for the toggles for some reason. It's not the best design. But you can tap on edit and this will actually show you the names of it. And the hotspot looks to be this kind of like chain link one. So how did I know which one that is? Once you see yours, you want to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, you want to select setup portable hotspot, and most likely you want to start off with the password. So when you click on the little eye icon right there, it will display the actual password. And as you can see, for you, it's probably going to be very similar. Meaning just a random jumble mess of letters and numbers. It is randomly generated, so no surprise there. Now, I do recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And it can be letters and the numbers, or just one of those two. Doesn't really matter. Now next we have a couple additional settings below here, which I do recommend keeping as they are, as the settings by default are set so we can utilize your hotspot with the widest array of devices. So it's basically, right now the way it's set, it's compatible with the most amount of devices. If you choose to change something, for instance like the AP band, that obviously will not be so, as it will limit you to for instance 5 gigahertz will limit you to newer devices, while the 2.4 basically utilizes any device that have any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, anyway, we're going to click right here on the checkbox to save our changes, and now all you need to do is just find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to enable it. And now you're good to go. Once you're done with the hotspot, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again to disable it. Now you might want to remember to do so, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. Now with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.